Hi all, welcome to Tricks by STG YouTube channel. In this video, I will guide you how to do auto blogging. So if you don't know about auto blogging, you can read it in Google. So as you can see, this is my site. I have nothing posted here because I will guide you how to do auto blogging, and I will use auto blogging to post in this site. So first, you need to have a WordPress site. So if you don't have, or you have blogger site, then you need to switch to WordPress site, as this auto blogging we are using for there are many plugins for auto blogging. So these plugins are only work in WordPress, so you need to have WordPress site. So also the theme you are using in WordPress should be responsive, like you can use newspaper theme, rehab theme, for Acme photo theme, any theme which is responsive, because these plugins will work and auto blogging will work in these responsive themes only. So now I have already installed these responsive themes. Next is to install a plugin. So there are many plugins actually, like WP Automatic, WP Robot, Content Tag. So you can use any of them, but I will use here WP Automatic because it is very simple to use and there are many features in its free version. It has both free version and paid version, but in free version you will find many more features than other plugins. So let's first install this plugin. Just go to plugin and click on add new. After that, just go to upload plugin and select the file. I will provide you the link for this WP Automatic plugin in below this description. You can install it from there. So basically in just click on activate plugin. In this auto blogging, we will use RSS feed of different other sites to post their content in our site. The basic idea is that we will use RSS sites of different other sites to post in our site. So suppose you are using any health related website, so then just search in Google health RSS feed. Also, so it will show all RSS feed for all health related sites. Suppose let me open this health.com RSS. So this is RSS feed of health.com site. You can select any category here, family, mind, body, anything. Suppose your site is tech related, then you need to search for tech RSS feed. So it will show all feeds which are feeds of sites which are tech related. So similarly, as you can see, my site is for images and quotes. So I will use those sites only. So as you can see, my website is for images and quotes. I will use images RSS feed, those sites which contains images. So I will tell you how to get RSS feed of any site. Okay, let's suppose you are want to get this RSS feed for tricksbystg.org. Okay, let it open. So just open that site and go to view page source. After that, click on click no just uh, open Control plus F and search for feed. So as you can see here, it is RSS feed of tricksbystg.org site. You can use it for auto blogging. In this way you can find RSS feed of any site. So now let's do auto blogging for our site, images and quotes. You have to search for RSS feed in your in which you want to do auto blogging. Okay, so let's do auto blogging in my site. I will use Pinterest RSS feed as it has many types of images. Suppose I want to do auto blogging for funny images. Okay, just open an image and open the user. After that, just in end you have to write feed.rss, so you will get feed of that user. So after you have found RSS feed, then just go to your site and in WP Automatic click on new campaign. Name that campaign. As it is for funny images, just write funny images. It simply represents your campaign name, not the title of your post. Okay, funny images. After that, here you will just click on campaign type. Here you can see there are many campaign type like iTunes, YouTube, Amazon, Instagram. So as we are using feeds, RSS feeds, so select RSS feed. Now next is maximum number of post to post. So just go to max option. As if you select 2000, then it will post 2000 posts, then it will stop. So I have done maximum. After that, just copy that RSS feed here. You can add as many as feeds as you can like, but one feed link per line. So if you want to add other link, then in next line only. After that, this one is important feature, update every. So it is saying 60 then minute, so it will update in every 60 minutes. So if you want to change for 10 minutes, then you just write 10 here, and it will now update one post in every 10 minutes. If you select hours, then it will post one post in every 10 minutes. So you can choose according to your choice. So I am let be 10 hours only. So in every 10 hours it will post one post. Okay, it will publish one post in every 10 hours. After that, there are many options you can select according to your choice, like specific extraction to custom field, set metadata. I will select this skip post without images. Why? Because my site is mainly for images, so I will skip post without images. Then you can read here and accordingly select and deselect. Then it is post template. So this is the title in which you want to post. So if you change nothing here, it will post same as the other site. So if other site is posting title as uh, top 5 images for top 5 funny images, then it will be same posted in our site also. So if you want to change anything, then you can write here like images. So it will, after that title will add images. So I don't want to change. If you want to change, you can write. then it is post type or page type, let it be post only. Then if you have added other admins, you can also use that. Then yes, category, so select category according to that. As these are funny images, then I will select funny. Then set title word as tags. You can select according to your choice. After, so there are many options you can read and write, select according to you, but main things which I explained here are select category, then this one is the main, and also here you have to select feed and select in what frequency you want to publish. Suppose, as you can see, I have selected 10 an hour, so it will post one in every 10 hours. So just click on publish. So I have published one campaign, but as first I will show you my site. It has nothing. So first let run our first campaign. So now it is posted 32 memes for parents. Let us check it in our site. You can see here it is posted. Okay, I can show you in our category. I have posted it, selected funny category, so you can see it is posted in funny category only. Okay, so now next post will be posted after 10 hours, as I have selected 10 hours. You can manually run also. Again, if you click on run campaign, then it will post another post. It will publish another post in the site. So it is running. So now again let's check our site. You can see another image is published. So this way WP automatic, or you can say auto blogging, works. Let me do another new campaign for this one for friendly. So let's friendship codes. Friendship codes. Then I have to get RSS feed. It is paid. Let's see this. Yes. So after this, just write feed.rss to get RSS feed of that user. Just copy this. Again, in here you have to select feeds. Then enter RSS feed and go to maximum. Also, I will post one post in every 10 hours. You can select anything. Also, skip post without images. Category will be, there is no category for friendship. Let it be popular. I will add. Then set publish. So I have added another campaign with another name. So this will also run in every 10 hours. So in every 10 hours there will be one post published in my site without any manual intervention. So let I run one campaign manually. So as you can see, now post is published. So let's check in our website. You can see post is published and we have selected popular category. So yes, it is here. So this is very easy. Now in every 10 hours one post will be published. No need to do any manual work. Also, you can directly publish from Twitter, YouTube also. So if anything is published in YouTube, then it will be automatically posted to this site. So let me show you how to do. Also, if you want to do affiliate website, then you can do also that. So you have to select YouTube here and accordingly fill all details. Also, first you have, for YouTube, first you have to select your ID. So you can see every setting here, Amazon setting for YouTube, proxy, Flickr, Insta. So for YouTube, you have to select your YouTube API key here, then click Save Changes, then go to New Campaign, and accordingly it will work. Similarly, you can post all Amazon products also. You have to put your Amazon access key, Amazon secret access key, and your Amazon associate ID. So similarly, this way you can build a affiliate website to earn money. As you can see, I have built an affiliated site for Amazon affiliate only. So if you click here buy now, it will simply go to YouTube, Amazon website. So how to build this type of site, I will guide you in next video. So it is simple, just you have to put these details, and for every 10 hours or 10 minutes you can publish post. I will tell you how to do this affiliate marketing using this auto blogging in next video. So till, please like this video. If you have any doubt, please comment below, and I will resolve your query. I will try to. And do share this video with your friends who want to know about auto blogging. So thanks, and do subscribe to our channel, as I will guide you. And also I am starting a video tutorial on how to build a website, affiliate website soon. So keep checking our YouTube channel. Also do subscribe. Thanks for watching.